Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will explain about trigonometric equation. Okay, the equation this is already by part 2. So equation of the form a cosine x plus b sin x equals c. So from here, to solve the trigonometric equation, which are linear sines x and cosines x, and where a, b, and c are elements of real, we can use two methods. The first way we can use introducing and auxiliary angle method, or two introducing new unknown. So now we will talk about the introducing and auxiliary angle method. So from here you can see the picture in the right side. Uh, Consider the constants a and b as rectangular coordinate of a point expressed by polar coordinates r, p. Okay. In here, if we want to looking for cosine mu, we can using a over r, because cosine is opposite over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So we get here a equal r cosine p. So sinus p is equal opposite over hypotenuse. It's that the meaning b over r. Okay, everyone. So from here we want to have the b equal r times sinus p. How about tangent? Tangent p is equal b over a. So the what's the name? The p is equal tangent arctangent b over a. So from here we get to know r is equal square root of a square plus b square, everyone. So from here we can continue to find the formula. Okay, by substituting for a and b in the given equation, a cosine x plus b sin x equals c. Obtain is, we already know a is r cosine mu, and then b is r sinus p equals c. So the both sides we divided by r, so equal cosine x times cosine p plus sinus x times sinus p equals c over r. Using additional formula, yes, we already learn about sum and the different formula from here, because this one cos sinus is that the meaning cos cc. So we already know this one is cosine, because cosine is reverse, the sign is reverse, so we are using minus in here. Okay, so from here we get we already know a is equal r times cosine p, is that the meaning r equal a over cosine p. Obtain is cosine x minus p is equal c over a times cosine p. We want to change the a cosine p to be a over square root of a square plus b square. So we can cancel numerator and denominator have the same a, so we can cancel, and then for square root of a square plus b square is equal k, everyone. So the formula for the a cosine x plus b sin x equals c is cosine x minus p equals c over square root of a square plus b square, or c over k. But you need to remember not c square is less than equal a square plus b square, everyone. From here the equation is 3 sinus x plus square root of 3 cosine x equal square root of 3. Now we need to define about what's the a, what's the b, and what's the c. Okay, from here we have a equals square root of 3, because in the front of the cosine is a. Okay, now we find b is equal 3, because b is position is in the front of the sinus. Okay, this one is b. Okay, now we have c is equal square root of 3. This is 3, everyone. Okay, now from here we need to find k
square root of a square plus b square. Okay, square root of a square is open bracket square root of 3 square plus 3 square, that's the meaning, equal square root of 12, or 2 square root of 3. From here, we need to find the tangent alpha or tangent mu or tangent gamma, that whatever you want. But in our power presentation, I already writing about tangent mu. Okay, tangent mu is that the meaning b over a. Okay, what is b? B is 3, and then the a is square root of 3. So you need to times by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So we can cancel each other between 3 and then square root of 3. So that the result is square root of 3, everyone. So this is the tangent mu. So we need to find what's the mu degree. The mu is equal tangent minus square root of 3. What's the degree of that one? That one is mu of p is equal 60 degree, everyone. Okay, so from here we can continue to find with the formula. The formula is cosine x minus mu equal c over k. Okay, if you don't want to using k, it's okay, you can writing about square root of square plus b square, everyone. So here you need to substitute the degree of mu is 60 degree. It's equal c is square root of 3 divided by 2 square root of 3. So we can cancel each other. So from here we got cosine x minus 60 degree is equal half. So you can think what the cosine that's showing the degree is half. So we got cosine x minus 60 degree is equal cosine 60 degree, right? So from here we can using the two formula to find the value. The first is x minus 60 degree is equal 60 degree plus k times 360 degree, or number 2, x minus 60 degree is equal minus 60 degree plus k 360, everyone. From here we can rewrite so the formula for the one. So we can write x equal 120 degree plus k this one, or x equal 0 degree plus k 360 degree. So that's it for explaining about this question, everyone. Another example, we have sinus x minus square root of 3 cosine x equal 1. From here we will get the a is equal square root of 3, because they have minus, so we can put the minus in here. And then okay, you can remember a is the position in the front of the cosine x, everyone. Okay, now we can get the b is the position in the front of the sinus. In the front of the sinus is 1, everyone. So we have c is equal 1. Now we can continue to find the k. K is square root of a square plus b square equal, okay, a square, a is minus square root of 3, so we can open bracket square plus b is 1 square. Okay, from here we get the square root of 4 is that the meaning 2, everyone. So we can continue to find the tangent. Tangent mu is equal b over a. B is 1 minus, okay, so we can times by the square root of 3, square root of 3 over square root of 3, so that the meaning minus square root of 3 over 2 over 3, everyone. So this one is tangent mu. From here, what's the degree of this one? We can rewrite tangent arctan minus 1 is minus square root of 3 over 3. So this one is equal 150 degree, everyone. Okay, so we can continue to the formula. The formula is cosine x minus mu is equal c over k. Cosine x, the mu is 150 degrees, so this one is minus 150 degree equal c is 1, and then we have k is equal 2. So we can simplify about this function. So cosine x minus 150 degree is equal cosine 60 degree, everyone. Cosine 60 degree. Now we can using two formula. The first formula is x minus 150 degree is equal 60 plus k 360. So this one is x equal to 110 degree plus k times 360 degree. The number 2 is x minus 150 degree minus 60 degree plus k 360 degree. So we get x equal 90 degree plus k times 360 degree. So we get the formula for this one. It's x equal 210 degree plus k 360 degree, and x equal 90 degree plus k 360 degree, everyone. Okay.
Now we are using the second method. Is the name is introduction new unknown. From the picture, we can see tangent half is equal u. Okay, because tangent is u over 1, everyone. So then since we just using the half angle, so we can using sinus x. Sinus double angle is 2 sinus x times cosine x, because we are using the half angle. So we change the here to be 2 sinus half times cosine half. So we can substitute sinus from here to be here. So the result for sinus is 2u over 1 plus u square. And then for cosine x, because we have sinus x, we can using the formula for 1 minus 2 sinus square half. So we can substitute the sinus. So the result 1 minus u square plus 1 plus u square. So we need to substitute sinus and then cosinus to be the a cosine x plus b sinus x equals c, everyone. So the result will be like a plus c close bracket times u square minus 2bu minus open bracket a minus c close bracket equals 0. Now we will jump to the example.
Okay, now we want to find the example 1 with different way. What's different way? Different one is that the meaning introduction now unknown. Okay, everyone. So we have from here, we have the formula for this one is a plus c u square minus 2bu minus a minus c equals 0, everyone. From here, a plus c u square minus 2bu minus open bracket a minus c. Okay, from here we need to define cosine. In the front, cosine x is here is a. in the front sinus x is b, and then in here is c. So we need to substitute this one to this formula. So from here, a is square root of 3 plus c is square root of 3 u square minus 2 times b, 3u minus a is square root of 3 minus square root of 3, everyone, equals 0. So from here we get 2 square root of 3u square minus 6u, because square root of 3 minus square root of 3 is 0, so we can equal 0. From here, we can make factorize, everyone. So 2u is open bracket square root of 3u minus 3, everyone, equal 0. Okay, so from here, we can 2u is equal 0, so u is equal 0, or 3 square root of 3u equal 3, so u is equal 3 over square root of 3. Okay, from here we can continue, and then we already know if the tangent x over 2 is u, everyone. Okay, we will solve the number 1 first, and then we will continue the number 2. The number 1 is tangent x over 2 is 0. What's the degree from 0? Right, correct. From here, tangent x over 2 equal tangent, yes, tangent 0 square. Okay, so from here we can using the formula of tangent, because tangent have just one formula, so we can rewrite x over 2 equal degree 0 degree, plus k 180 degree. From here we times each side by 2, everyone, because we don't want to have the fraction in here. So we can x equal 0 plus k 360 degree. So that is the formula for the first. Okay, and then I will continue to the number 2. The number 2 is tangent x over 2 equal 3 over square root of 3. We can times this one by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So the result is tangent x over 2 equal square root of 3. Square root of 3 is, what's the degree, everyone? Yeah, tangent what, everyone? 60 degree. Right, correct. This one is 60 degree. Okay, from here we can continue x over 2 equals 60 degree plus k 180 degree, and then we can times both sides by 2, so x equal 120 degree plus k 360 degree. So you can compare this formula the different way from the example 1, that the name, introduction, of unknown, or you can using the auxiliary formula. It's okay, you can use the both of them, or just choose the one of them. Okay, everyone?
For today, I hope you understand what I'm explaining. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.